Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, we're going to use some homemade caramel. You can find those recipes on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I'll put a link underneath the video so that you can go to those videos if you want to watch how to make easy caramel at home. The first thing we're going to do is fill each of the cavities with a little bit of chocolate. And then I'm using a little paintbrush, and all I want to do is I want to pull or paint the chocolate up on the sides of each little mold. So what we're doing here is we're building the shell for our chocolates. Before we add our caramel, you must let the shell dry. You can either leave it on your table for about a half an hour until you see it start to dry, or you can place it into the fridge for about 10 minutes, and that will make the process very, very quick. Once you see the chocolate has set or has dried, then you can add your caramel. Now that our shells have dried, it's time to add the caramel. Go very slowly as you fill the little cavities. You do not want to overfill with caramel. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of a tap just to settle it out so I can see exactly how much caramel is in each mold. Do not overfill your mold because we need to add a little bit of chocolate to cap it off. So then here you can see me adding the last little bit of chocolate. So this is going to become the bottom of our chocolates. And then what you can do is use a little paintbrush and gently move the chocolate to the corners of each one of the little molds. And this just ensures that none of the caramel is going to seep out after we pop them out of the mold. Give it a little bit of a tap. This allows the air bubbles to come out and also makes the chocolate nice and smooth on the bottom. Put them into your fridge for about 10 minutes and then just tap them out of your mold. And then for our last step, we're just going to cut into one and listen to that snap. And then I'll just give it a little bit of a squeeze so you can see that homemade caramel coming out. So a really fast one today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.